Road rage de-escalation with these 4 tips. If you've ever been the target of an aggressive driver, you may have experienced road rage. This can involve actions like driving too closely behind you, using foul language or disrespectful gestures, or attempting to push you off the road. Sadly, more drivers than you might imagine engage in aggressive, intense anger, or road rage while driving, with 80% of them admitting to doing so. Road rage can be caused by a variety of conditions, such as distracted driving and unforeseen driving circumstances. Driving aggressively as a result of this might rapidly turn dangerous. It's crucial to know the best and safest ways to handle this scenario if you run across it. Try these first 4 suggestions. 1. Shift to the right and slow down. Use your turn signal, slow down, and move to the right in an effort to defuse the situation if you committed a driving error that caused someone to get hostile against you. By stepping aside, you're signaling that you didn't plan to make the mistake and are making an effort to get out of the way. Whatever the other driver does, don't get out of your car and start a conversation with them. You, your passengers, and other drivers on the road could be in risk if you do this. 2. Apologetically wave and nod at the driver. It's possible that the driver will act violently again after you move your car out of the path and try to pass or cut you off. If they give you a sidelong glance, nod and wave an apology. This is a means of expressing regret to the driver for your error. Just be mindful not to make any motions that could be interpreted as hostile, harsh, or spiteful, such as giving the thumbs up. 3. Drive defensively and avoid making eye contact. Avoid making direct eye contact with the other motorist if you can, because it may be perceived as confrontational. Instead, slow down a bit and make an effort to leave some room between you and the motorist. 3. Avoid eye contact and drive defensively. You should be prepared to deploy defensive driving techniques if the other driver exhibits hostile behavior in the future. At 10 and 2, keep your hands on the wheel to stay in charge of your car and be able to react quickly if necessary. Keep your eyes open and be prepared to brake quickly but gently in case another driver suddenly cuts you off or swerves into your path. 4. Temper your own reactions. The way you respond can make a big difference in whether a potential road rage situation escalates or calms down. Now is the time to find your inner patience and refrain from retaliating violently to the other driver's actions. Always remember that safety comes first, and nothing is worth jeopardizing your or your passengers' lives. When you sense the want to respond violently, try deep breathing exercises, counting backwards from 100, or listening to soothing music. Whatever it takes, quiet your emotions so you can react to the situation calmly and logically. Get ready for rage on the road incidents. You can avoid getting into a dangerous situation with road rage by using these advice. Use your hands-free mobile device to contact 911 and report the event if you've done everything you can and the other driver is still behaving aggressively.